Hi, today I'm reviewing the TinyChange 2023 Page a Day Diary. So this is how the planner comes in a nice looking box with a quote here and a message in the back side. Let's open the box. Okay, so this is the planner. As you can see, it's a beautiful looking leather cover with gold embossed message on the top, one day at a time, 2023 daily diary. This has an elastic also, and the planner, since it's a daily planner, which means you have one individual page for each day, it's a slightly thick planner, but you get a lot of planning space with this planner. So let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so TinyChange 2023 daily planner. There are some tips for planning, my goals for 2023, habits I want to build, the vision board, the 2023 calendar, the ideal week design, the ideal day design, mood tracker for the year. You can see that some of them are different colors, so you can see that there is this multicolor design approach they've taken for this planner. And then it explains how the daily planning pages are designed. So this is the start of the planning pages. So as you can see, now you're getting into the daily planning pages. So since it's a daily planner, you have one full day for each day of the year. So this is for January 1st. You can see the sections are I'll make today great by, the top 3 priorities for the day, the to-do list for the day, and then you have the day schedule hour by hour, and then at the end of the day you can fill up today's best moment, what I'm grateful for, and like this day review, hours slept, how healthy did you eat your diet for breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner, water intake, how many glasses of water you had, your productivity levels for the day, and your overall mood. And you also have an interesting life tip section which is different for each day. So you have 365 of these. These are snippets which will help you think better about how you plan your day, about your life. It covers various areas like health, wealth, happiness, etc. Right, so this is how the daily planning pages are designed. So an interesting thing is that each month has a different color schema. So January is kind of a dark green, and then it gets into like a light green for February, and then you have light blue for March. So it kind of changes every month. So it keeps the overall planning process interesting. You have May, June, August. Oh, I forgot to mention there are these 2 ribbon bookmarks as well, which you can use to know exactly where you are on the planner. And at the end of the daily pages, you have lists and notes section, which covers things like interesting quotes, compliments I received, interesting people I met, key lessons I learned, and notes pages, right? And then you have these cool looking stickers. These are gold embossed stickers, you can see. And then you have some small poster stickers, icon stickers, and then again gold panel stickers. Then you have some free pages here, dot grid pages, and then that's it. So the cover is a soft cover, which means you can bend the planner this way, right? It's foldable, and the binding is pretty strong. On the back side you have the TinyChange logo embossed. So this is the 2023 TinyChange daily diary, and it's a beautiful planner which is apt for anyone who wants one full planning day for every day of the year. That's it. Thank you.